Hey, have you ever heard of self-organizing systems? Yeah, kind of. It's when complex patterns emerge from simple rules, right? Exactly. Think about an ant colony. No single ant is in charge, but together they build intricate tunnels and find food efficiently. That's true. They use pheromones to communicate, and those tiny signals create large-scale organization. Right. Each ant follows basic rules, and from those rules, a whole system emerges, without a leader. That's wild. It's like cities too, isn't it? No single person plans all the traffic, but somehow patterns emerge from everyone's decisions. Exactly. People move based on needs, roads adjust, and businesses pop up where demand grows. That's spontaneous order. It reminds me of the internet. No one directs all online activity, but trends, memes, and markets evolve naturally. That's a perfect example. Small inputs, like people clicking or sharing, can create massive global movements. So, is this how nature works too? Like how flocks of birds move in sync without a leader? Yes, each bird follows simple rules: match speed, avoid collisions, and stay close. That leads to those amazing patterns. And in our brains? Neural networks fire in response to tiny stimuli, but thoughts and consciousness emerge over time. Exactly. The brain doesn't have a single leader neuron. Instead, countless small interactions shape our thinking. This is making me rethink control. Maybe we don't need central authorities for everything? That's the idea. Many systems work best when they self-regulate rather than being micromanaged. But does that mean chaos? What if things get out of control? Not necessarily. Self-organization often creates stability because feedback loops naturally balance the system. Like how an ecosystem adapts to changes instead of relying on a single species to control it. Exactly. Nature thrives through self-correction, not top-down control. This is mind-blowing. So, the world runs on simple rules creating complex beauty? Pretty much. Life itself is a self-organizing system, constantly adapting and evolving. Now I see why this idea is so powerful. It's everywhere.